A new study has revealed the speed of a human thought, 10 bits per second. To put into perspective just how little data that is, the average Wi-Fi connection can process 50 million bits per second. The study was led by a graduate student at Caltech. The researchers also discovered that the body's sensory systems gather data about the environment at a rate of 1 billion bits per second, billion with a B. The study's authors say the fact that our sensory systems gather data at a rate 100 million times faster than our brains process thought raises a whole lot of questions. For instance, there are 85 billion neurons in the brain. Each one is more than capable of processing information far faster than 10 bits per second. So why don't they? Why do we have so many powerful neurons if we think so slowly? Why can we only think about one thing at a time? Why doesn't our brain process multiple thoughts in a parallel manner like our sensory systems do? They have a few ideas. They found that the brain seems to operate in two modes. The outer brain absorbs high-dimensional sensory information and motor signals, while the inner brain processes information needed to control behavior, which is significantly less data than is absorbed by all the senses. Another factor is 10 bits per second is really all we need to make the decisions necessary to survive. In fact, the researchers say 10 bits per second is only for worst-case scenarios. The rest of the time, we don't even use that much. The team suggests more research be done to discover how the one thought at a time operating procedure is woven into the architecture of our brains. They also left us with an interesting look into the future. There are multiple companies trying to develop neural interfaces that would create a direct link between a brain and a computer. Perhaps the most well-known is Neuralink by Elon Musk. They're trying to help people with disabilities like quadriplegia, blindness, and loss of speech regain autonomy. The researchers say, based on their findings, the brain would communicate with the neural interface at a rate of 10 bits per second. I'm Ray Bogan for Straight Arrow News. For more reporting, download the SAN app.